Hello, dear fans! Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Russian for Everybody. And today we are going to learn the difference between two Russian pronouns. ВСЕ and ВСё. So, if you want to know the difference between these two words, please stay with me to the end of this lesson. So, let's get started. So, as you see, ВСЕ and ВСё, it's written almost the same. The difference only in the last letter, Е and Ё. So first I start with the pronunciation. So the word все, I pronounce like все, все. So pay attention on my lips. They are straight. Все, все, все. And всё, всё. In the last word всё, my lips are rounded and protruded. Всё, всё. Okay, so I start with the word все. Все will be translated into English like all or everybody or everyone. And this word is used with nouns and pronouns in a plural forms. So, my examples. Все тигры любят мясо. All tigers love meat. So, as you see, все agrees with the tigers in plural form. And after this phrase, we use the verb любят in the form of они, they. Все тигры любят мясо. All tigers love meat. Next example. Все мы любим отдыхать. All of us like to rest. Again, все мы любим отдыхать. We use here the verb любим. And it's, of course, the plural form because, as I told you, все we use with the plural form of the verb. And the last example here is the most interesting one. Все сегодня идут на работу. Everyone goes to work today. Все сегодня идут на работу. So, as you see, the word все works as a subject. In the previous examples, in the first and the second, все worked like adjective. So, it describes the subject like тигры and мы. But in the last example, the word все doesn't describe anything. So, все works like a subject. Все is a subject and идут is a verb. Все сегодня идут на работу. Все, by все, we understand like all people. So, if we mean some kind of people, and we understand it from the situation, from the context, we can miss this word and say just все. Все сегодня идут на работу. Such example works only with people. With tigers, it's impossible. So, все тигры любят мясо. I can't say все любят мясо because I understand like all people like meat. So it's not obvious for me that it is said about tigers. But in the last example, все сегодня идут на работу, it's absolutely obvious that I talk about people. Все сегодня идут на работу. And compare with the English. So in English, we say everyone goes to work today, and we use the verb in the third singular form, goes. And in Russian, we say все идут. We use the verb in plural form, like they go. Because все, it's a plural pronoun. I hope that it's clear. And now let's discuss the word всё, which is translated into English like everything. And this word is used with adverbs and verbs. If it works with verbs, it agrees in neuter singular form. What do I mean? Let's look at my examples. Всё было хорошо. Everything was good. Все было хорошо. Было, verb was. I use the form of оно. Оно было. Все было хорошо. The second example. Все нормально. Все нормально. Everything is okay. Все нормально. Нормально, it's an adverb. And the last example. Все прошло плохо. Everything went bad. Прошло, it's the past form of the verb пройти, like goes past something. And прошло, of course, it's this, again the third singular form, like оно. Оно прошло. Все прошло плохо. I hope that it's clear. And now let's return to the first pronoun все, which I translated like all. And I want to say another very important thing about this pronoun. This word все agrees in Russian language in gender. So it has a masculine, feminine, neuter, and plural form. So how do we change this word? And все, of course, it's, as you see, and you can guess, it's a plural form, of course, all, like все тигры. And now let's discuss what happens with this word if it's a masculine, feminine, and neuter. So my next slide. So it has four forms. Весь, вся, всё, and все. All these words will be translated into English like all. And we use these forms according to the Russian gender. So весь we use with masculine words, like вчера я весь день была дома. The word день, day, is a masculine word in Russian language. That's why I use the word весь. Вчера я весь день была дома. Yesterday I spent a whole day at home, or all day at home. So it will be the same, whole day or all day, doesn't matter. Okay, the second word вся, it also means all, but we use this with feminine nouns, like вся моя семья живет в Москве. All of my family lives in Moscow. Семья, family, is a feminine gender. That's why I use the word вся. Вся семья. Вся моя семья живет в Москве. The third variant is все. We use it with neuter words, like мы вчера выпили все вино. Вино is a neuter word. That's why все вино. So yesterday we drank all of the wine. Мы вчера выпили все вино. And the last form is все, which we use with plural nouns, like все мои друзья сейчас болеют. All of my friends are ill now. Друзья is a plural Russian word. That's why все мои друзья. Okay, hope that it was clear. Please write me your own examples in comments to this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I, of course, will answer them. And please don't forget to put likes to my lesson. And if you want to thank me, you can make a donation by the link given in the description box to this video. Большое вам спасибо. До встречи и пока-пока.